Factoring trinomials of the form ax² plus bx plus c. We have seen factoring trinomials of the form x² plus bx plus c in our previous video. In this video, we'll check how to factor a trinomial of the form ax² plus bx plus c. The difference between the trinomials of the form x² plus bx plus c and the trinomials of the form ax² plus bx plus c is the coefficient of the x² term. In trinomials of the form x² plus bx plus c, the coefficient of the first term is 1. And in the case of ax² plus bx plus c, the coefficient of the first term is a. The way we factorize these type of trinomials is different from how we did x² plus bx plus c trinomials. Factoring the trinomials of the form ax² plus bx plus c will involve the steps shown below. A. Multiply the coefficients of the first and the third terms. B. Find two factors of the product whose sum will be the middle term. C. Split the middle term into two parts based on the factors we just identified. D. Group the terms and write the factors. Let's look at an example. Factorize 4x² plus 5x plus 1. Solution. Step 1. Multiply the coefficients of the first and the third term and find the product. That will be 4 times 1, which equals 4. Step 2. Find two factors of the product 4 whose sum will be the middle term, namely 5. The two factors will be 4 and 1 since 4 plus 1 equals 5. Step 3. Split the middle term into two parts based on the factors we just identified. We'll split 5x into 4x plus x and rewrite the trinomial. 4x² plus 5x plus 1 equals 4x² plus 4x plus x plus 1, which equals 4x times x plus 1 plus 1 times x plus 1, which equals x plus 1 times 4x plus 1. So the factors of 4x² plus 5x plus 1 are x plus 1 and 4x plus 1. Let's do another example. Factorize 11a² plus 31a minus 6. Solution. Step 1. Multiply the coefficients of the first and the third term and find the product. That will be 11 times negative 6, which equals negative 66. Step 2. Find two factors of the product negative 66 whose sum will be the middle term, namely 31. The two factors will be 33 and negative 2, since 33 plus negative 2 equals 33 minus 2, which equals 31. Step 3. Split the middle term into two parts based on the factors we just identified. We'll split 31a into 33a minus 2a and rewrite the trinomial. So 11a² plus 31a minus 6 equals 11a² plus 33a minus 2a minus 6, which equals 11a times a plus 3 minus 2 times a plus 3, which equals a plus 3 times 11a minus 2. So the factors of 11a² plus 31a minus 6 are a plus 3 and 11a minus 2. Let's do another example. Factorize 2y² minus 5y minus 12. Solution. We wrote down the steps in the previous examples to help you remember the process. Here, we'll skip writing down the description and factorize directly. 2y² minus 5y minus 12. Here, the product of the first and the third term is negative 24, and the factors are negative 8 and 3, whose sum is negative 5. So this equals 2y² minus 8y plus 3y minus 12, which equals 2y times y minus 4 plus 3 times y minus 4. So this equals y minus 4 times 2y plus 3. So the factors of 2y² minus 5y minus 12 are y minus 4 and 2y plus 3. Let's do the next example. Factorize negative 4p² minus p plus 5. Solution. Here the first term starts with a minus sign. So we'll take the minus sign out and invert the sign of all the terms. So negative 4p² minus p plus 5 equals minus 4p² plus p minus 5. Here the product of the first and third terms is negative 20 and the factors are negative 4 and 5, whose sum is 1. Negative 4p² minus p plus 5 equals minus 4p² minus 4p plus 5p minus 5, which equals minus 4p times p minus 1 plus 5 times p minus 1, which equals minus p minus 1 times 4p plus 5. Let's do the next example. Factorize 9k power 4 minus 33k square minus 12. Solution. In this trinomial, there's a common factor, namely 3. So 9k power 4 minus 33k square minus 12 equals 3 times 3k power 4 minus 11k square minus 4. Here, the product of the first and third terms of the trinomial is negative 12, and the factors are 1 and negative 12, whose sum is negative 11. So this equals 3 times 3k power 4 plus 12k square minus k square minus 4, which equals 3 times 3k square times k squared plus 4 minus 1 times k squared plus 4. So this equals 3 times k squared plus 4 times 3k squared minus 1. That's all we have on trinomials of the form ax² plus bx plus c. Thanks for watching.